Hi, I'm Peter Gilbert. I'm here with Lauren Frasco, who's our ACE Advantage Director here at Highpoint, and we're going to talk about ACE Advantage and what that program is. Lauren, as you know, ACE is an acronym.
Yes, it is, Peter.
Let's look at the A. What does that stand for?
A stands for access.
Access means access to our firm. That
Yep.
unlike many law firms, people can pick up the phone and call us when they have a question.
That's correct.
Access means they can email us or send a note to us, a letter to us. And we don't really bill by the hour here. So when they do those things, they're not going to be charged for that letter or that email or a phone call. And people like that. They want to know that they can have that communication line always be accessible. So that's really access. Next letter in ACE is C. What does that stand for?
C stands for cost control.
Which is really important.
Yes, it
So
is.
cost control happens on many different levels in ACE Advantage. First of all, the cost is controlled because it's known. When people work with us, they know exactly what they're going to pay this law firm for the rest of their life if they choose to remain in ACE Advantage. There's no guesswork on that. They know exactly what they're signing up for. Cost control happens when certain things are reduced for them. If people need more estate planning once they're a client, something new comes up, they get a significant reduction in that. Cost control also means that they'll know what it costs and the eventuality if we settle their estate when they die. And that is a number which is already promised and guaranteed by us as a percentage of the estate, which is well below what typically gets charged.
We know that for a fact.
Yeah, we do. The cost control, it means no hourly billing. It means everything disclosed fully in advance. It also means a family discount if their children want to do some planning. That's also a lesser fee.
Sure.
The last letter in ACE is E. What does that stand for?
E is for enhancement.
Enhancement is things get better as time goes on. And that's because of the process and the way we do things. Clients are meeting with us every year, every 2 years, every 3 years, whatever cycle they're on. It's a regular cycle of meeting with us. They get to know their plan better and better and better, which means they may come up with some new ideas they want their plan to do. We may come up with some new ideas that we didn't have 3 or 4 or 5 or 10 years ago. We want all clients to benefit from those new ideas.
Right.
So the education of the client, the education of us about the client, that plan gets more and more suited for that client as time goes on.
Right. Plus we offer them DocuBank as well as the legal vault.
The enhancement's also the ability through DocuBank to be able to access their medical documents, power of attorney and so on, living will, and also any other documents through a similar program, anytime, anywhere. And those programs are part of being an ACE Advantage member.